just hopped on a bike and took off. Hello. So we are shopping with Nova, their new friend. There we go. And she's actually quite hilarious. She's thrown shoes so far. So she's really fun to shop with. Summer didn't want the shoes, so she threw them out of there. I think she thinks we're taking a photo. So she doesn't speak Chinese. She doesn't speak English. We don't speak Chinese, so it's been quite fun. And a lot of cultural language barriers, but we get through them. Alright, so we're going to continue shopping. So where are we going? Chiffon. We're going to go look for food. Tried explaining I wanted barbecue, and apparently that doesn't translate. So we ended up telling her that we wanted meat cooked with fire. Yeah. She has no idea what we're doing. She probably thinks it's strange that we're just recording and talking to you. But it's okay. Nosy busybodies checking the screen there. Okay, let's see. There's the next one. And let's go down.
我要吃烤肉。我要吃烤肉。
Oh, yeah, true. Caro.
Oh, I think that's barbecue.
I don't know. Is that barbecue? Oh, because roe is meat.
Okay.
烤肉。
Oh, okay. See, and that's how we communicate. So there we go.
烤肉。
Caro. Now y'all know. And that rhymed. Okay. I think we're on the main floor.
Yeah, the door is just right there.
Okay.
买个这个。
Yeah, there's jewelry. Okay, so now we're gonna go get some caro.
烤肉。
Caro. Alright. See, I love that we can bring the dog everywhere here.
它可以。
Okay. Okay, so where'd she go? Okay, so we're in her car. Her car's running, and now she's just gone. I have no idea what's going on. she just hopped on a bike and took off. And we're in her car. And her car is running, like it's on. It's so strange. I don't know what's going on. But we're supposed to go get barbecue. I smell it way over there. But we're sitting here. Where's Nova's open? Oh, yeah, that's just fun.
I guess she just hopped on a bike and drove up. I guess it even hers.
I don't know whose bike it is. But like she's just, I don't know. You got a car. Why would you steal an e-bike? So we don't know where we're going. Oh, I smell barbecue. I think she figured it out.
Yum, yum.
My translation meat stick worked. All right. Oh, it smells so good.
No 牛肉。
Okay.
Soup.
Huh? So hot in here. Okay, so apparently she didn't like the last place. So now we are somewhere else. And she just handed me a really warm bottle. It was 48 degrees yesterday. And I think today was hotter. Crazy hot. So we're at another place here. So people just noticed that there's foreigners here.
Okay.
At the table right there. Okay.
Coco.
Alright. There's like a bunch of people over there staring. And over there. Alright, I'm gonna sit down and put this. So we are now eating our barbecue. See? Food cooked on a fire. So this is tofu. It is delicious. Then we have meat.
That kid just came up and poked me.
He poked me too.
Poked us around. I touched the floor and it.
I just felt like a tap on my back. And that was funny. He ran over here and just poked us away. Oh, that's fun. I wonder if we caught any of that on camera. I was moving it. I was trying to show the meat. Anyway, there's the meat. That was kind of funny.
Have a dump egg.
All right. Well, can't even eat in peace here. Welcome to a small town. We're probably the only foreigners that stepped foot here in the last 10 years. So it's a very exciting moment for them. All right. You want to try the meat?
I still have this one.
Hurry up. It's so good. But the shoes today was so funny. Summer wanted the black ones, and the lady brought out these purple ones, and I was like, no, they're too girly. I want the black ones. So then the lady brought out a pair of pink ones. So our friend grabbed the pink one and threw them. We didn't understand her, but we understood the shoe thrower. Get these out of here. It was really funny. I got my hair cut here. I got it dyed. I'm not too happy about it. He fucked up on both. It would have cost me about 1,000 kwai had he done it right. It cost me nothing because he fucked up that badly. Alright. They're really stingy with their meat here.
Yeah.
Do you see it? Well, there's like chunks of fat meat.
Where do I put this?
Give it to Nova. That's why you have a dog under the table.
I don't want this. You can have it.
No, that's meat.
I don't care.
So fussy.
It's a disgrace.
It looks like a worm on my thing. I think it's mutton. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat in peace now. I don't think you're gonna miss much. Just back to the tofu.